This is part 5 of the voting methods section. 53 people are asked to take a taste test and then rank 3 different brands of yogurt, A, B, and C. The preference table shows the rankings of the 53 voters. First of all, which brand has a majority of first place votes? So the first thing we need to do is to figure out what a majority would be. So we have 53 votes. Divide that by 2, and you get, what do you get? 26.5. So that's 50%. Of course, you can't have half a vote, so just need more than half. So 27 votes for a majority. Okay. So which brand has a majority of first place votes? Here's 27 votes. That's all we need for a majority. So brand A has a majority of the first place votes. Okay. Now, use the board account method to determine the winner. Which brand would win? Okay. So the board account, third place gets 1 point, and then 2, and then 3. Okay, so brand A, there are 27 votes at 3 points each. And then C, I'm just going in order for some reason, not alphabetical. Of course, it doesn't matter. And then B is 27 votes at 1 point each. And then 24 votes. All right, B gets 3 points, C gets 2 points, and A gets 1 point. And then for 2 votes, C wins 3 points, B wins 2, and then A receives 1. Now, look at this again. It happens again. This person has the majority, or this brand has the majority, but is dead last in the others. Okay? So let's do this arithmetic. If you multiply and add, you'll see that A receives 107 points, C receives 108 points, and B receives 103 points. Therefore, brand C is the winner using the board account method. Now, is the majority criterion satisfied? The majority criterion says that if somebody has the majority, then they should win the election. Here, A had the majority, but they did not win. It did not win the election. So this is no. In this case, the fairness criterion is not met. Okay. A computer company is considering opening a new branch in Atlanta, Boston, or Chicago. Senior managers vote to decide where the new branch will be located, and the winning city is to be determined by the plurality method. The preference table for the election is shown. Which city is favored over all the others using a head-to-head comparison? This is essentially the pairwise method, okay? So since we have 3 candidates, we're going to have 3 times 2 divided by 2 comparisons. So that's just 3 comparisons. We need to figure A versus B, A versus C, and then B versus C. Okay, so in this case, A versus B, A wins, so 20 points there. Here B wins, so that's 19. And then B beats A here, so that's 5. So this is 20 to 24. and B wins a point. A versus C. A wins here, C wins here, and C wins here. So again, it is 20 to 24, and C wins here. Okay, if B had won again, I would know that it wouldn't matter here because B had won twice. It wouldn't matter if it won 3 times. You're gonna win. But I do have to do this one. So here, B wins here, so that's 20 points. B beats C, so that's 19. C wins here, so this is 39 to 5. B wins again, so B won twice, C only once. B wins. Head to head. Which city wins using the plurality method? Plurality is just which one wins, which one gets the most votes, most first place votes, and that would be A. Is the head-to-head criterion satisfied? Now the head-to-head criterion is the one that says if a candidate is favored head-to-head competition, they should win the election. B was favored, but A won. So this is no.